It's too early to talk about any change. The guns are silent at the moment, but this is the sort of pattern we've seen in the past as well. Remember when the meetings were underway in Berlin, at that very time, the militia of Khalifa Haftar targeted several parts of the capital, the south of the capital, and also tribesmen loyal to Khalifa Haftar had occupied some of the oil terminals, cutting oil supply. Now, if we look at the events about a week ago, when Turkey and Russia basically talked both sides into a sort of a ceasefire, at that time we had a statement from Khalifa Haftar as well as Faisal Sarraj saying that they're going to be abiding by the ceasefire. This time around, there's not even any statement either from Khalifa Haftar or from Faisal Sarraj. We understand they haven't met, and we understand that the differences are still there. So at this point in time, it's too early to say whether the two sides are going to observe cessation of hostilities.